up, guys? It's Brooke out here, and today I'm with Death Pie, and we're gonna do a Flarp. The thing.
It's like supposed to be fart noise. It's fun.
Warning: keep away from heat and may stick onto surface. Conform, blah blah blah. Do not eat.
Yeah, it might.
Noise. Beauty.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm kind of sick today.
Emotional people.
I have the hiccups today, but since that's
so
happening,
gooey.
I wanted to do it.
So gooey. What up, Dad?
I'll just show that your dad's in the background. If you see him,
There you go. Right here.
see, here he is.
This is my dad. Say hello, Pete. Here you go.
Okay.
Thank you. I got some of your stuff. Ow.
And now it's time for battle. Oh, Brandon.
And make sure, guys, it's stuff. Confirms the safety requirement of ASTM F963.
Grenade!
Pick that up. It's gonna get stuck to the floor. Only age. Oh wait, here. Only the 3 plus. So 3, 9, 10, whatever. You. See, watch this, guys. Oh wait. There you go. Stop watching TV, Evan.
Oh, okay, sorry.
It's really weird. Worked. And that was not good enough.
And also it's stretchable, so you can stretch it like 5. Well, you could stretch it far, but not that far.
It's 105 grams and 3.7, you know. Made in China. And I don't know why I said Jacksonville, Florida, whatever. I think that's where it was from. And my view. Hold on.
Mommy, hey, Daddy, can you use some to drink?
What up, guys? Ah!
sorry guys if you can see my face. It's just like
Gun in your mouth, huh?
you hit my cheek. Keep.
And then, oh guys, I want to show you this gun.
That I bought.
It actually shoots out. Well, it doesn't shoot anything.
See?
It's a cap gun.
See?
It will shoot shoot it, bro.
Okay, look.
Oh, wait, let me get away for a second.
Wait.
It shoots real smoke out.
Wait, it's out of bullets, so I have to reload it.
And no more shooting right now. So yeah, guys, that's the new gun. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.